What's going on YouTube? We're just taking the dog for a little walk because it's a lovely day, so we thought, why not? You know what I'm saying? Walking around the area. What are you all doing today? We've got a lot of things happening. Anyway, I can't wait to get you all involved. I really can't. It's going to be a mazza. Like, we've got so many things in the pipeline, yeah? Like, we're going to do holiday vlogs coming soon. Yeah, literally 2027 holiday vlogs is going to be out of this world. Obviously got a baby on the way, so can't really be leaving the country just yet. Do you know what I mean? I'm not that much of a mug. But yeah, honestly, we're taking the dog for a walk now anyway, so yeah. Come on, baby. You want to take her off? Yeah. You want to take her off? Come on. You can take her off now, bub, if you want. Daddy can do it if you like.
No, you just hold this.
You hold that then, yeah. A hat. And put on your hat. Ready, hat?
How do we do it?
Ready, hat?
How do we do it? Oh.
Yeah, she's got a little friend on her back.
I don't know how to do it.
So I'll tell you that. Hang on, baby. 1 sec. Wait, hey. Wait. Wait, hat. Go, go, hat. Good in. Go, miss. Go. Go, 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 go.
What if I chase after?
Go, miss. She won't, baby. So what? There she is. Go, Mass. What do you want, love?
A stick.
A stick? What would you want a stick for? Do you want to build a nest in a tree?
I'm going to throw it.
Oh. Careful, baby. What's your stingies? What's your stingy arrows? Oh, what's that, Mass? What's that hat? Get a hat. You need a better one than that, love. Come on. Petty! Petty noodle poodle, man! Petty! There she is. Go on then. What we got to do, Mass?
Just inside her.
Hello. Go, Mass. Come on. Come on. What's that? Come on. She's not interested, mate, at all. Oh, look. Oh, man! Oh, man! Lovely hat, man! Go, man! She loves it. Go, hat! Go, Miss! Right, Miss! It's meant to be her. You're meant to be taking her for a walk, not her taking you for a walk. Come here, hat. Go, hat. Hi, hat.
Oh, goodbye, babe.
Go, hat. Hitty. 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 Here and then. You crazy doggy, in ya, eh? You're not like normal dogs, are you, mate? Come on, let's go, let's run. Let's go. Run, hat.
Dad, I came with this smoother.
Well done, man.
Finally.
Get man. Get man. Get man. Drop it. Drop it. Go, hat. Go and get her. Good girl. And then. Oh. Wait, but maybe throw it that way because there's people there. Throw it that way. Get him, Miss. Yee, get him, Miss. Well done, hat. Oh, wait, don't do that. Hetty, no. Hetty, come in here. Let's see you got it. Me.
I'm a terrible thrower.
That's all right. Go on, just have another go.
I really can't.
Have another go, bub. Over there. See it? Right there, darling. Let us see it first. That's it. Now throw it. Look, she's ready. Go, Hat. Go, Hat.
I need to fix my shoes.
Go, Hat. Go, Hat.
Dad, give it to me.
Go on, let's see it first.
Happy.
Get it, Hat. Renez, mate, what was that? You're so crazy. Get it. Get him, ass. She don't want you to have it. Get a Hat. Hetty, give me in.
Hey.
Let's see it, darling, and then throw it.
Head up.
Ash. Aye. Hetty noodle poodle.
He's more interested.
Noodle. Hatma.
Hetty.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. God bless. Take care. Peace out.